Welcome back everybody to the Lotad Lounge. Now, a while back, quite a while back, we had cracked open a Hisuian Typhlosion V promo tin. And in the same video we opened up the Evolving Skies ETB. But, like with every region, Hisui has 3 starters. We only opened up one of their tins. Today, we're going to open up the second starter, the Hisuian Samurott V Tin. Now, I have a tradition. Every time I play a new Pokemon game for the first time, I always have to go with the water starter. And Legends Arceus was no exception. Although it was really hard not to pick the Cyndaquil the first time through because Hisuian Typhlosion is a ghost type, and it was awesome, and I loved it. But I had to keep tradition, so I did. I also had a really hard time with Scarlet and Violet not picking Fuecoco because he goes into Fire Ghost. And I was really excited for it. But I went with Quaxley, like normal. I had to keep the tradition. So today, we're going to crack open Hisuian Samurott V, and we're going to hope that my tradition brings us luck, and the water starter will bring us the good cards. Let's crack it open. Oh, I don't need this. It's already got a rip. Look at you making my job semi-easy. There we go. That's a very nice Hisuian Samurott there. Get you on out of there. Very nice, very nice. I'm kind of a fan of the Hisuian Samurott, I won't lie. He's alright. I kind of like the design. So what do we get in the tin? We get cardboard. We get Astral Radiance, Brilliant Stars, and Fusion Strike. There's 4 packs. For some reason, I was thinking there was 5. Let's start with the Fusion. Maybe not. There we go. You probably already saw it. Yeah. What do you got for me, Fusion? Anything? I hope so. You got a Vikavolt that looks pretty neat. Good old Quick Ball, man. Used to be a staple in every deck until it rotated out. Got replaced with Nest Ball. Well, I saw the code card because it was backwards. Dang it. Alright. Anything for us? See, there's the Chimchar. I was just talking about that in the last video. I always pull the Chimchar from Brilliant Stars for some reason. Finally got the Infernape. Ooh, the Golurk finally from Brilliant Stars. I've been wanting this card. Not for any reason in particular, but I just don't have it, and now I do. Astral. We got 2 Astrals here. Come on, Hisuian Samurott. This is your set right here. You gotta bring something for me. I try to have the code card now. Keep it a mystery for you too. Anything for us. Ooh, we got, I think I know what that is already.
Ooh la la.
We got the Hoot Alt Art. No, the Alt Art Trainer. The trainer. The Hoot Hoot Trainer Gallery. There we go. We finally made it. Ooh, I see double hitter. Okay, I'll take a Heatran VMAX. Sweet. That's pretty nice. You brought us a little something there, Hisuian Samurott. But we got one more pack. And it's still from your set, Hisuian Samurott, which means you gotta bring more hits. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it! Maybe. There's either something really good in this pack, or nothing at all. Alright. Let's do it. Teddy Ursa. Sneasel. Hisuian Sneasel. Mischievous. Barbaroach. Scyther. Whiscash. Hisuian Sneasler Hollow, so that's probably it. Yep. Featherball, Whiscash, and Sweet Honey. Well, we got two things. A trainer gallery for Hoot Hoot, and the Heatran VMAX, which is cool. I don't think I got this one, so I'll take it. I won't complain about it too much. Well, my tradition of picking water starters first did not bring us luck in this tin. It brought a little bit of luck. Don't get me wrong. It brought a little bit of luck, but nothing super big. Now, it's probably because I didn't open this tin first, and I went with the Hisuian Typhlosion first. Had I opened a Hisuian Samurott V Tin first, when I opened the Typhlosion tin, there could have been something really good in it then, because I had opened it first. Now, there's 3 Hisuian starters. We've opened up 2 tins. We've opened up the Hisuian Typhlosion V and the Hisuian Samurott V Tin. Where's the Decidueye V Tin? It's right here. But that's going to be for next week. We ain't doing it today. So come back next week. We'll crack this bad boy open, complete the Hisuian starter trio, and hopefully the last of the bunch will bring us something good. We'll see you there. You all take care.